Hey guys, what's up? I got a bee problem. So, I have a beehive, but, I mean, that's working good. But apparently I have a new queen. I'll show you how I know that. The hive right now. A bunch of the bees are gone. But that. Look at this. Look at that. It's pretty big too. I need to get my new hive set up. So I have my flow hive upstairs in the house. I'm gonna bring that down, put by that swarm, set that up. So yeah, I gotta get some cinder blocks up over there, and we'll set the hive up. We'll see how well this goes. Just gonna move the cinder blocks. Got finished moving the cinder blocks, and now I'm gonna get the golf cart, bring the hive back. So yeah.
We're attempting to move some bearded bees that have swarmed out of the hive into a new hive. As you can see, Austin, they have clipped the branch and placed it into the bottom of the new hive. So they can, the bees will eventually climb off into the box. So they have to wait a few minutes for them to do that. In the meantime, they're going back because there was a smaller group of bees they want to get as well.
There's a lot of bees in here. There's so many off already. It's probably what, 1,000? 2,000?
Coming off of it.
Yeah.
He said it would take about 10 minutes.
Approximately.
You can zoom with it.
That buzzing sounds so cool. So right there, we have waited about 10 minutes. We shook the bees off the branch and just left it in front of the hive. I went ahead and put the flow hive back together so that we could go ahead and leave so we don't stand out there for so long. And I'm definitely gonna do a video on them doing the getting the honey out. So yeah.
Okay, we got most of the bees in there. Got the top put back on. And I can't get too close, I'm gonna have to zoom in because I don't have a suit on. But you can, maybe you can see there's already bees inside.
Oh, there's a lot inside.
Through the window you can see.
Got the hive set up. Got the swarm pretty much gone. What the heck? Thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more videos. And yeah, see y'all in the next video.